In today's video, we will learn 25 advanced vocabulary words that will help you sound more fluent in your English conversations. Antipathy, dislike. Antipathy, dislike. Boon, blessings. Boon, blessings. Brusque, unfriendly. Brusque, unfriendly. Burnish, polish. Burnish, polish. Defile, pollute. Defile, pollute. Deleterious, injurious. Deleterious, injurious. Alike, same. Alike, same. Gather, collect. Gather, collect. Inveterate, habitual. Inveterate, habitual. Erudite, learned. Erudite, learned. Stroll, walk. Stroll, walk. Sprint, run. Sprint, run. Ponder, think. Ponder, think. Perceive, feel. Perceive, feel. Shatter, break. Shatter, break. Demonstrate, show. Demonstrate, show. Conceal, hide. Conceal, hide. Depart, leave. Depart, leave. Arrive, come. Arrive, come. Converse, talk. Converse, talk. Slumber, sleep. Slumber, sleep. Nocturnal, night. Nocturnal, night. Obscure, dark. Obscure, dark. Vend, sell. Vend, sell. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.